Now we created attributes. We created master data using those attributes, and we added this master data in the planning area. Now we will see how to create planning levels. Suppose your planning happens monthly at a product customer level. So let's create a new planning level, and we will choose month as a time profile level. Here you can see that the base level for the time attribute is month. That means you can aggregate that data at a high level higher than month. You can aggregate the data at a quarter level or a year level, but you cannot disaggregate the data below month, that is week, technical week or day level. So we'll create an ID. We'll say that BT global, that is what our prefix is for any planning level. And then we'll say improd cust. The description is month, product, cust, so that it is easy to understand where are we aggregating the data to. And then from the attributes, we'll say that we will add the master data as, let's see, the master data that we have created. So we will add the product. So we will use the product, and then we will use the customer. And we'll use the customer group also because that is what we want to aggregate it to, right? And then we will say that the customer group and the product are the key, right? So then we will save this. Now let's see the planning level that we have created. So the name of the planning level is BT Global M Broadcast. So we see that the attributes that we have used here. So we have used the attributes in the customer group and the product, which are the root attributes. We can look at other planning levels and understand how they are configured. This planning level, it is at a calendar week, product, location, and customer. So what we see over here is that the attributes from the customer master, the attributes from the product master, the location master, because it has a location, and then the attributes from the location product, compound master data, and then since it's at a product, so the product attributes from the product master data, and also it is to be aggregated. So we will have the customer group from the customer master data. So over here, we can see that it can be aggregated to customer groups and other aggregation level like customer region and all. So that's how these planning levels are configured. So now since we have added the configuration of planning level into the planning area, so the planning area will become inactive again. So we will activate it. So we'll activate the planning area. So the planning area got activated. We will now see if the planning level that we have created is active. So we will look for the planning level that we created, which is BT Global M Prod Cust. So we see that this is active now.